So you have, what do you, this is for,
Yeah, and forest, I will show you.
this is for a collection of juice?
Yeah, but there, the branch is just like the cut. The blood pot. The blood pot inside and collect the juice.
Okay. Toddy.
Yeah, toddy. Two kind palm tree,
Okay.
male and female. There is the female, there is a male.
This is female right here?
Yeah. The female is branch. The branch is like the fruit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the fruit. The fruit. The male is and no fruit and finger. The
Okay.
finger and cover the small yellow flower.
Right.
The red color and green color. The green color, the yellow flower.
Okay.
Yeah. The female and male, the same both, the same juice.
That's the female,
Yeah.
and that's the male. The rum that I see everywhere, is that made from palm sugar?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is female, the palm tree seed. The seed and the growing like that tree.
So,
The female palm tree seed and one seed, the two seed, the three seed. Here, the three seed. 1, 2, 3, like this. The three seeds. Here, there you can see. There is an pear juice and palm juice. The palm juice and one is palmidation and palm wine.
that's toddy, right?
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
So it takes about an hour?
Yeah, 1 hour. The fresh juice, 1 hour cookie, the palm sugar. This is traditional the medicine.
Oh, medicine?
Yeah.
What are the leaves in there?
No leaves, the root.
Oh, root.
Yeah,
Okay.
citron root.
Okay.
Inside the alcohol, palm alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah, no nutrients, the outside, the everybody and lotion.
Only for medicine.
Yeah, for the muscle. There is inside, the pure alcohol. The outside, the inside.
Right.
The yellow color, the alcohol with the honey.
Okay.
Yeah. The you wanna try palm juice?
Yeah.
Just a little bit this,
Thank you.
no more.
Good.
Yeah, sweet one.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah. This palm wine a little bit sour. The sour, the sticky rice. Pure alcohol.
Woo.
Yeah. The palm sugar. The kinds of the palm sugar. So many kinds of the palm sugar. This is normal, pure palm sugar. The small ball.
Okay.
The pure palm sugar, there's some like the tea or coffee. There's some like that you can get and for cookie.
Right.
Yeah. There is palm sugar with the sesame.
Okay.
There is palm sugar with ginger.
Oh, can I try a piece of that?
Yeah. There is palm sugar with tamarind.
Okay.
The palm sugar with the plum. The palm sugar with the milk.
Okay.
The palm sugar with the coconut.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Can I try a piece?
Yeah, try. The palm sugar, the too sweet, natural sweet.
That's
no
good.
Yeah, no sugar cane, only palm sugar. Palm sugar, and we call it Myanmar chocolate. Traditional order medicine every day. The baking sugar there here. Just no ready. Maggie and sugar. The fresh juice. The juice inside and fire. The fire roots and branch leaves and the female the seeds inside and fire.
You use that as the fuel for the
Yeah.
fire.
Yeah.
So you don't waste anything. Right? Very good.
This here. This now that make it the alcohol. Inside and water. The water, the roasted sticky rice powder. The rice powder, the little bit. All mixed together. The 2 night or 3 day fermentation.
Wow.
The gaps.
How long have you been doing this?
The here?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, and the here and 25 years.
25 years?
Yeah.
You look like you're about 20.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Yeah, 41.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Looking good, man.
Yeah.